Chase away your doubts, understanding English phrases. Hello, dear viewers. Welcome back to our channel, where we make English learning easy and fun for you. Today, we are going to explain a very interesting English phrase, chase away. By the end of this video, you'll understand not just what it means, but also how to use it in different contexts. So, let's get started and chase away any confusion you might have about this phrase. The phrase, chase away, means to force someone or something to leave or to go away, often quickly or because of a threat or a nuisance. It's typically used when talking about dispelling something undesirable like fears, animals, or even clouds in the sky. It can be used both literally, like chasing away a cat from your garden, or figuratively, like chasing away your fears. When used literally, chase away refers to the act of physically pursuing something until it retreats. For example, if you have a dog that is trying to catch a squirrel in the yard, you might say the dog is trying to chase the squirrel away. Here, it means the dog is running after the squirrel to make it leave the area. In a figurative sense, chase away can describe getting rid of anything non-physical or abstract. For instance, if someone has concerns about starting a new job, a friend might help to chase those doubts away with some encouraging words. This use is very common and applies to emotions, thoughts, and other intangible issues. Let's see chase away in action with a few examples. After I talked to her about her fears of the dark, I could see her worries chase away. The town's new policies have chased away potential investors, which is not a good sign for economic growth. A good comedy movie can chase away the blues on a rainy day. When using chase away, remember that it's about causing something to leave, not just leaving by itself. The phrase often implies an active effort or intervention on someone's part. It's also helpful to pair it with words that describe what is being chased away to give your listeners or readers a clear picture. That's all for today's lesson. We hope this video has helped clear up the meaning and usage of chase away for you. Remember, learning English is a journey, and with each video, we're here to help you every step of the way. If you liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be able to chase away any English language challenge that comes your way. See you next time.